8 natural ways to get rid of ants in your house. Argentine and odorous house ants are common in many homes. There are some of the best natural remedies you can try to get rid of the ants infesting your space. Number 1. Chalk. One of the home remedies to get rid of ants is to use chalk. Chalk contains calcium carbonate, which helps in keeping ants away. Spray some powdered chalk in the areas that are the entry points of ants, or draw a line of chalk at the entrance. In order to keep ants at your house, draw chalk lines so that these bugs don't enter. While it's not clear as to why this line stops the ants from coming inside, but it is surely effective. Make sure you make the line in a way that is out of reach of any child in the house. Number 2. Lemons. Squeeze a lemon or place lemon peels in places from where the ants enter. You can also wash your floors with water that has a little lemon juice added to it. Ants apparently don't like the smell of lemon juice, so they will keep away. Anything sour and bitter may keep the ants away, but any sugar is ants' best friend. So ensure you do not keep anything sweet that may attract the ants in some way or the other. Keep your kitchen slab absolutely clean and place the peels right there. Number 3. Oranges. Oranges are same as lemons. They keep the ants away from visiting your house. Make a paste of 1 cup warm water and a few orange peel, which will help in getting rid of ants. Spread this paste around entry points of ants and wipe it afterwards. You can also place orange peels on the kitchen slab or wherever you think these ants may enter from. It acts as natural deterrent for ants that may not only keep them, but also keep them away. So, bring the orange rinds to some use and ensure no ants visit your house anymore. Number 4. Mint. Peppermint is a natural insect repellent. You can plant mint around your home or use the essential oil of peppermint as a natural remedy for the control of ants. Ants hate the smell, and your home will smell minty fresh. Plant mint around entryways in the perimeter of your home. Place a few drops of peppermint essential oil on a cotton ball and use it to wipe suspected areas. You can also place a peppermint oil cotton ball in areas such as cabinets where the ants frequent. Number 5. Vinegar. Mix a 50-50 solution of vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it directly on the ants to kill them, then wipe up the ants using a damp paper towel and discard them. You can also use vinegar and water as a deterrent. Spray it around your windowsills, doorways and other places where you see ants coming inside. Number 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great option for killing ants. When an ant inhales cinnamon, it suffocates and dies. You can use ground cinnamon and sprinkle on the ant's path or around an anthill opening. Cinnamon essential oil also works well to repel ants. Mix a few drops of cinnamon oil with water and spray on ant trails, around doors, windows, and cracks. Number 7. Pepper. Ants are pretty fond of sugar, but they hate pepper. Sprinkle pepper at the areas from where ants enter your house. This will help getting rid of ants. Cayenne pepper or black pepper are hated by ants. You can also make a solution of pepper and water and spray it near the entrance areas. The pepper wouldn't kill the ants, but definitely deter them from returning to your house. Make sure you clean the area where you want to spray the pepper solution. Number 8. Salt. Spreading salt near nooks and corners from where ants enter the house will help keeping ants away. Table salt is one of the best and cheapest ways to get rid of ants naturally. Use ordinary table salt, not health-boosting rock salt. All you need to do is to boil water and add a large amount of salt to it, stirring it until it dissolves. Pour into a spray bottle and spray where you think ants tend to enter from. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Subscribe our channel.